What's up, guys? Today on Dirty Bird Off-Road, I purchased a cooler that attaches, the Can-Am cooler that attaches in the bed of these side-by-sides for the X3. Follow me, we'll open it up, put it together, show you guys how to put it together and what it looks like in comparison to the cargo box that Jason has on his. Alright guys, here's the inside of the cooler. Right after unboxing, looks like we got a little shelf. Don't know if I'll use that or not, maybe. And the hardware for the brackets. And some Allen heads. Looks like some nuts with it. We'll need a torch. Hopefully it's the T30 like everything else on this machine. And yeah, what does Can-Am call their little cams here?
I don't know. Alex might know.
What's Can-Am call their little cams, you know?
I have no idea.
The locking cam. Sounds about right. So how much thicker do you think that one is? Like how much wider?
This one?
Yeah.
I don't know.
There you go. Yeah. So I decided to go with this one and not that one because of the visibility through the back. So it might sit just a little bit higher. But you do get a ton more cargo room with this one.
Don't worry, after the cages, we can't see out the back for shit anyways.
You'd think there'd be one up here.
No, because he doesn't have, he's got
Different one.
those locking ones and they're a little different.
But that one. It'll go like that. Just kidding.
So if you guys can't tell, we've never done this before, so this is the first time. We're going to start drilling holes and stuff.
Wouldn't be the first time.
How about leaky cooler?
Yeah, you'd be fine. Yeah, I guess we don't want to drill holes in that because then the water's going to drip out of it.
It's a drain. No big deal. If I was a betting man, these go for you.
Premium, you know, Can-Am 1973 sticker. Retro.
That's the most important part.
Let's go there.
Oh, don't forget your warning labels. Very important.
We'll find somewhere to put that.
Enough for us.
Scott! One over there too. Don't forget that one.
Don't forget that one.
Scott's out there cleaning his machine, getting it ready.
And we're all jealous.
I'm not, my machine's still cleaning. Benefit of an enclosed trailer. Although it only cost me like, let's see, about $230 to make the trip down here and fuel already, thanks to our wonderful government.
It was a little more than it usually is.
Appreciate you, Brandon. Here's finished product. Cooler's installed, locked in. Now we're gonna take it out, Jason's, put his back in, put this one in mine.
Sweet.
Let's go right already.
Yeah, now we're going right. Sand Hollow this weekend.
Dan broke it.
Alex is fixing it. There you go.
Now it's taking everybody to fix this thing. Oh, it's in.
My recommendation is buy the cooler.
No.
What do you think about that, Jason?
Crazy eyes.